Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android with zero operating system octa-core PX5 special head unit for BMW E90, 91, 92, 93, 25 to 2012 years. Okay, here is the head unit front panel you see. And the head unit comes with installation dash kit. This dash kit will come with head unit. Okay, and there two kit also come with head units. This one. This one and this one. Okay, let me introduce harness. There are two harnesses come with head units. This is two harness and canvas box. Let me introduce harness at first. You can check the factory plug. And the canvas box. You can check BMW E90. Okay. The two harness, you can check this harness and canvas box with this head unit harness. Okay. Let me introduce the head unit. You can choose the logo with Belsee. Also can choose the time, and you can set the logo with BMW. And you can change the theme editor. Okay, this is for BMW. Let me introduce settings. Check the Android version at the octa-core. It's octa-core PX5 model. You can check flagship PX5 processor. Android version is 8.0 operating system. Let me back the home. Okay. Let me introduce the setting. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. This volume button. Okay. When you click it, long click for the settings. You long click to set the internet. Okay, it supports Google voice command. Let me try Google voice command. New York. It will show the New York City automatically. Speed is low because I connect SSR. Because in China it doesn't visit Google service. Okay, let me check other. Moscow. It will show the Moscow automatically. Let me check the Belsee. This is our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions or problem, you can contact to us anytime. Okay, it showed our website. Okay. Let me introduce the navigation. You also can set the navigation with Google Maps. It's built in Google Maps. New York. It will also search the New York automatically. Moscow. It can search the Moscow automatically. Okay, let me introduce the music from USB. There are two USB. This USB driver, let me connect one of the USB cable. It will play music automatically. You run Google Navigation and music at the same time. You can touch control. Okay. Let me show the Bluetooth. This pin number 40. This is my Galaxy 6. You can open the Bluetooth from your phone and click search button. click pair button. Okay, you will get the command. Put the 40 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's changed color and show Bluetooth echo. When you make a phone call, all sounds will be stopped. You see, when you make a phone call, all sounds will be stopped, include music. If you hang up the phone call, it's do same thing. Okay. It will show the listening music from your phone. First time need to repair again. Okay. You can stream music from your phone. Volume control. Okay, let me play video. Video disabled while driving for safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Car, driver settings, watch video, turn on the watch video, and play video game. It supports Samsung 4K video. Okay, that's all. You also can change this button colors in the settings. Elements, you can change the red. You can button color same as BMW's blue color. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us, visit our website, or call us, email us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.